So what are you making today, babe?
I am making slow cooker black eyed peas, one of my versions of it, and this one has a little bit of twist. It's really good. You'll see later. First step, beans, dry beans to cook. Then I add cabbage.
It's a 16-inch fan. We're gonna mount it up. We're in a temperature switch.
Why do you keep wiping the Jeep?
Guys, you're just sweating on everything. The whole floor over here. I can't step back and
Hey, we didn't have to move the exhaust. We didn't have to jack up. We didn't have to do anything. Look at that.
Six cups of water, and that's all you do for now. High. Not high, but on high. Yeah, I like that. I want them to hold their shape. Getting crowded up here. One more. Maybe I should put these in a bowl. Sometimes you have to cut them all kinds of ways because these do not split evenly. It's got too many like potato-y grains in there. All right, done with that.
So does it matter that they're different sizes?
I mean, some of them get a little creamier and it kind of gives it a really kind of creamy texture, and then you also have some potato chunks in there too.
Yeah.
That's what I do. It's really hard to cut a sweet potato all evenly. I mean, it's just, unless you want to sit there and try to cut your fingers off trying to do it. So, that's the reason why I like that. It doesn't have to be perfect.
You could make this vegetarian.
Yes. But this wouldn't be considered because it's chicken. But you can get the vegetarian one. I know, we use a lot of Tex Mex. Sorry guys, this is just the best spice ever. That's 3 teaspoons.
Sweet with a little spice.
This one's not going to have much of a spice to it. The chili powder may do that, but if you want a little spice to it, more spice, put K in. Alright, now we're going to stir it. Sounds like Tex Mex. Looks soupy now, guys, but just wait. Two hours. I think it's done. And this will thicken. You gotta let it set for, I don't know, about 10 minutes. And it will thicken up a little bit more. This one, the beans have to kind of set for a sec. So, I'm going to turn that off, leave that off. Yep, I'm going to wait, let it set.
So you're not going to put the lid back on?
No, I'm going to leave it off because I want it to set. Kind of like when you take something out of the oven and you don't put a lid on it. You let it set. Yeah, sometimes you got to do that with beans, and then it's all of a sudden a lot thicker. Because it's getting a little bit more thicker. Because I don't like this being a soup. You could serve it like this and it's yummy. But I like to let it set, kind of like a steak. And then it's more, more like a stew. If anybody knows what stew is anymore.
Looks a lot thicker.
Oops. How are you doing? Start it.